Hello, Curveballs, and welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new to my channel, my name is Lisa and I focus on artistic eye looks and I like to dupe palettes. Today we're not duping a palette, but we are doing a very artistic entire face look and I would love for you to join me. Doing another curvy collab with some beautiful ladies all listed down below. Now, last month we did Leprechaun Vomit, which you saw my St. Patrick's Day Rainbow Eye Cloud Cut Crease tutorial, and now we are doing something pertaining to, you guessed it, Easter eggs or eggs in general. So I have decided to just make myself the Easter egg, cracked, and throw in a little bit of artistic eye work at the same time. If you would like to see how I got this look, then you should just keep on watching. But before you do, don't forget to tap subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and like this video because this took me a very long time to do, and I would really appreciate your support. Now, without further ado, let's crack this face. So as you can see, I only have one brow done and one eye primed because I am going to do an eye look on this side, and I'm planning on having my face be the cracked egg and crack all around this eye. I have these three multicolored, like, I don't know, shadow sticks from Kat Von D. I'm not really sure what they are, if they're meant to be eyeliner, eyeshadow. They're just like artistic makeup sticks, and I've got one in pink, one in blue, and one in orange, and that is probably going to be the best bet for me doing the work on this side. So I'm going to try to match that and do a look on this eye with those matching colors, but I'm also going to add yellow because I always like to have yellow in the inner corner. I'm going to start off by getting my fluffiest favorite Farrah brush and dipping into some bright yellow. This one is from my Violet Voss Neon Vibes palette in the shade Neon. It's like a highlighter yellow. Takes a little bit to build up at first because we are putting yellow right on the flesh. Even with the primer, needs a little help. It's gonna be so much easier not having to do two eyes. Well, for the eyeshadow portion anyways. Let's move into some orange. And finally some pink. I can hear my daughter jumping in her crib like it's a trampoline. She's supposed to be napping. Alright, I'm going to use this same stick so I can match this blue perfectly right underneath the lower lash line. And now I'm just going to quickly cut the crease, 3/4 cut crease, not all the way.
All around the globe, trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Now I'm just taking a clean brush and I'm blending the edges. Now I am taking Lemon Drop from the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette to place under the yellow portion of the eye. And in the same palette, I'm going to dip into orange juice. And also in the same palette, the shade Cotton Candy. And for the brow bone highlight, the shade Jawbreaker. And just under the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with the shade Brain Freeze. And also on the lower lash line, I'm going to use my ColourPop volumizing mascara in the shade Sky High. And I'm going to put a lash on this eye and finish up my face makeup on this side, and then we will go to work on the egg. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take a white eyeliner, outline the crack of where I'm going to have it. I also think I'm gonna have a crack coming out here. Maybe one right here. Next, I'm gonna fill it in with some white face paint. And this is just going to make the colors more pigmented, as well as, well, it's just gonna make the colors more pigmented. And it doesn't have to be perfect because I am gonna go over this with black to define the cracks.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
I'm really just flying by the seat of my pants here. There's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Alright, so now I've got my gel eyeliner. I probably need to put some oil in it, get it some moisture. The trick is to make each of the cracks look a little bit skinnier at the ends to make it look like they're kind of fading away, like where the crack begins and dissipates, so they actually look like hairline. And now you get your black eyeshadow. I'm just grabbing one from my Morphe 25L palette, and you just want to give this crack some dimension. And you're just gonna blend those crack lines with this shadow.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Now for the highlights.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.
I think this just kind of makes the whole look pop a little bit more and look a little bit more realistic. I just kind of need to go back and forth with the white and black to make the cracks look right.
All around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are here.
I don't even think I have orange mascara for this side, so.
We are heroes tonight.
Just realized I forgot to put that eyelash on. I guess I should probably do that. Okay, I am hoping to salvage this look. Not by doing that. Okay. Some blush. And just a scotch of highlight.
I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan.
And that is it. This is my final look for my Easter egg collaboration with all the lovely ladies listed down below. And once again, that is a wrap for me, Curveballs. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to hit subscribe, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I promise they're not all going to be this wacky, but I can't promise you that we won't have more wackiness in the future. Before you leave, don't forget to check the description box down below. Check out all of the other videos that my collaborative group has put together for their fun Easter themed looks. I'm sure that you will not regret it. They're all very talented and it's just so fun to be a part of a group like this. So until next time, Curveballs, stay curvy and stay carefree. And I'll see you in a week. Bye!